Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with an evening snack recipe, Semiya Veg balls. So let's see how to make that. Here I have one medium sized boiled potato. Mash it well and make sure there is no lumps. Adding half a cup of boiled and grated beetroot. Quarter cup of finely chopped beans. Finely chopped green chili and ginger. And 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala. Half teaspoon of mango powder. And some salt. Adding 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs to give a proper consistency for this batter. Mix well. Taking a small portion out of the batter and shaping it like a lemon-sized ball. Here I have some semiya or vermicelli and some corn flour batter. Dip each veg ball in this corn flour batter and coat it well with semiya. Refrigerate this for 10 minutes. These are ready to deep fry. Heat some oil and deep fry these veg balls for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Once it turns into golden brown in color, we can take this out. These veg balls are ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.